Hello, and welcome to Module 3, Accessibility Tools. Here we will chat about the tools you'll use to crush it in your new role as an accessibility assistant. My name is Hannah DeBoard, and I'll be guiding you through this module. As far as our toolbox goes, you've likely heard about and/or use most of these tools on a daily basis. We use the Microsoft Suite, including Word and PowerPoint, and OneDrive. We also use Adobe Acrobat, accessible math programs, census access, color contrast checkers, and even AI in some cases. OneDrive is our file management system, where GAAs will organize files and assign files to you. This is also where you will upload your files once they're completed. One key thing to remember about OneDrive is that organization is the main priority. In the next module, we will chat about how to use OneDrive efficiently. Communicating with your GAAs through the process of remediation from file download to re-upload is important, so they can ensure students will be receiving their resources in a timely manner. Microsoft Word is a text editing software with tons of formatting options. It's a pretty common file format for us, and we see it a lot especially in assignments or problem sets, or typed up documents from professors. Microsoft PowerPoint is a slide editing software, has some interesting reading order features, but the overall accessibility layout is very similar to Word. Adobe Acrobat is the program that most accessibility assistants use most often. Anything from readings to assignments to slides, sometimes problem sets, are often posted by professors as PDFs. But these PDFs are sometimes not up to accessibility standards. We can use Adobe Acrobat to change this and make the materials readable by screen readers. Census Access is an accessibility tool that can handle a huge variety of documents. It's pretty flexible and can sometimes be used to break through on difficult documents. It's a quite helpful tool, and we encourage trying it out to see how it might be helpful in your accessibility assistant workflow. The field of mathematics is making leaps and bounds when it comes to accessibility. We are tasked with making sure equations are able to be communicated clearly by screen readers. For AAs, there are quite a few resources available, but MathPicks and AI resources are the ones we use most often that are free and available to use. And they're pretty powerful tools. For color contrast, there are many color contrast checkers available online, but we use the WebAIM contrast checker most often to ensure the ratio of colors in the foreground and background is at least 4:1. Thank you for watching this video on accessibility tools. We are super excited you've joined the team, and now you're on to the next module, Module 4, where we'll really get into the nuts and bolts of being an accessibility assistant.